Hi everyone, my name is Robert Andrews Millikan. I am an American physicist born on March 22, 1868. I'm born in Illinois and I'm my parents' second son. I graduated from Alberta University in 1891. I got the master's degree in 1893 and I obtained my doctorate at Columbia University in 1895. Before, I was an assistant at the University of Chicago. In 1896, I became an associate professor, but in 1910, I became a full professor. I am known for the oil drop experiment when measuring the charge of the electron. So this is my lab. I usually work here, and this is the setup for my experiment. My oil drop experiment is the first direct and compelling measurement of the electric charge of a single electron. I devised a straightforward method of measuring the small electric charge that is present on many of the droplets in an oil mist. And I also won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1923 for the measurement of the elementary electric charge and the photoelectric effect. So the oil drop experiment that I created helped to quantify the charge of an electron, and I'm really proud of that. I measured the charge of an electron using the atomizer from a perfume bottle. The perfume bottle, also known as the atomizer, was used to spray water or oil droplets into a sample chamber. Some of these droplets fell through a pinhole between two plates of an electric field so that I can observe it using a microscope. When I observed the droplets, I found out that the charge on a drop was always a multiple of a small but limited value. Even though I didn't change the model of the atom directly or indirectly, I still determined the charge of an electron. I am really proud of my oil drop experiment because my electron charge experiment was the first to detect and measure the effect of an individual subatomic particle. All the measured charges were integral multiples of quantity that in contemporary units is 1.602 times 10 minus 19 coulomb, which is a unit of measure. Other than that, I actually improved a method employed by J.J. Thomson for measuring the electron charge directly. So, the dropping oil between the electrically charged plates, I measured the force of those droplets passing through the electric field between the electrically charged plates, and in measuring and calculating those quantities, I was able to determine the charge on a single electron. Harvey Fletcher, my then graduated student, helped me during the experiment too. The oil drop experiment I worked on measured the charge on a single electron. J.J. Thomson already discovered the charge to mass ratio of the electron, so basically I built onto his experiment. Because of my oil drop experiment, I won the Nobel Prize in Physics, which I am really proud of. Later I will die in my house in 1953 because of heart attack, but I lived a full life.